and I'm going to show you the Modarri Ultimate Toy Car. It says right here. And you can get a 3-pack or a 1-pack. 3-pack has clones. Separate pack doesn't. Also, you can buy clones separate. And if you get the 3-pack and 1-pack, and you get all the others. So I have this one right here, and you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more to buy. If I want all of them, like all. I don't know. Wait, I just looked at. So now I just got this yesterday. I'm gonna show you what it can do. So let's open the box. See this flap? Flap it open. So it kind of slides around. So we have suspensions. We have wheels. We have this is called that's the chest. See well. This is I think this is the frame. I don't know. It has 2 frames. These frames, spoiler attachment, and came with 1 screwdriver. So let's start putting, and you can build 5 different cars. So I'm gonna build this one right here to show you like something. So look. First, take this, and we'll take this one. We'll use 3 pieces. Then we're gonna take this, slide it right in. Take this. So it has 2, right here, 1 here. Almost finished with the frame. Here's a screwdriver. Also, if you want to tighten it, do righty tighty, lefty loosey. So you can see I'm tightening it right now. With my screwdriver. So done with the frame. Now I'm ready for the. Then I'm gonna put the suspensions, also called axles. This one and snap it on. There's a screwdriver. It is right here. Let's screw it like that. How tight does this have to be? Super tight. Then we're gonna snap this other one on. Snap. So you hear the click. That's when it's snapped on. Also, you have to screw it in to make it extra tight. So done with the body. Now, what are these wheels? So now I'm gonna put them on. And this only uses 3 pieces. I'll look how many are in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one will go right here. And also one thing, make sure the screw goes into. Make sure the screw here. See it on the wheel? It's very tiny. So I'll point to it. Right here. Screw right there. Just go in the hole right there. on the suspension. And sometimes you'll get lucky, sometimes you won't. And there's holes in the wheels you can see through them. Screw it on. Really tight. So I normally got this toy like 2 days ago. 2 days ago.
A week.
So I got a week ago. Old toy. I haven't opened it yet. Kind of broken the box, so this part broken the box, so I have to put super glue on it. It's really tight. And I waited a night and a whole day and half of my day today. And now it's done. So, hey. But now I would love this video. What?
Talking.
So right now I'm screwing this on. What?
You're supposed to keep talking, Dylan.
I didn't know that.
You're gonna get people watching. Are gonna get bored.
So this toy Modarri, ultimate toy car. Yeah. So right next to place close to my place is where they sell these toys. You know, the one packs, this pack, the one pack is $20. 3 pack is $50. Getting it for my birthday. Why is there a timer?
That's how long you've been talking.
Now it's all, as you can feel, it's going tight, so I'm getting hotter. I'm serious. So now I'm done. I'm gonna put it like, so zoom up a little. I kind of zoomed it up, and I'm gonna show you. Right here, this big rectangle is the engine. So that's why they have these strips connected. There's also one right here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 strips.
Alright, wrap it up.
What?
Wrap it up.
What do you mean?
Finish.
Sorry about that. The screen kind of jammed. What are you doing?
Hey, thanks for watching.
No.
Dylan, this has to end.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.